Hello friends, today I'll show you how to create FTP account on cPanel. So let's start. This is the cPanel login interface. So go to click on the login button. Okay. After login, then you will see this type of interface, and then you can just scroll down and look at the file section. Then you can find out the FTP accounts. Alright, so click on the FTP accounts. Then you can create the FTP login information, credential. Just you can type the username. So I just testing purpose, website user. Then you can select the domain or subdomain. Then you can add the password. I prefer to you can just click on the password generator and click the generate password. Then they provide the password. Use this password. Alright, password is very strong. And now you can select the folder, path where you the location select for FTP folder path. Then you can find you can decide here. Okay, so I'm just need to root domain. Okay, then you can create FTP account. FTP account create done. Alright, so now if you need to access, you can end the just create this one. Okay, now you can change from your password and change the code. So you can put it each and everything you can control from here. If you want to change the password, then you can click and add the new password. So I will share I will make another video how to use the FTP account. In the meantime, you can stay with me. So thank you for watching.